Hi, my name is Ruby Martinez with Profashion, and today I'm going to show you how to properly use your Elite hair straightener. Let's get started with what's included in your package. It comes with your Profashion titanium styler, which we'll get into more detail in a little bit. It also comes with our heavy-duty leather heat-resistant traveling case equipped with a heat-resistant lining inside. It also comes with a thermal mat to protect any surfaces while you're styling, and this actually duals as a heat protectant storage to properly store your tools. It also comes with our Profashion heat protecting styling glove to prevent any heat damage while you're styling your hair. And like our other Profashion tools, it also comes with an adapter so you're free to take it overseas. And now I'm going to show you how to get started and turn on your styling tool. Once connected to a safety power source, the LCD display will blink. Press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds to activate the LCD display. To set your desired temperature, individually press the plus or minus button. Now with the Elite styling tool, the LCD display will turn blue. Once the styler has reached your desired temperature, the display will change to white. That's how you know it's ready to be used. Once you're done styling your hair, you can manually shut off the tool by pressing and holding the power button for approximately 3 seconds. Your Elite styling tool will automatically shut off after 30 minutes. You also have the ability to adjust your automatic shutoff time. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust your automatic shutoff time. To adjust your setting, quickly tap the power button on once and individually press the plus and minus buttons to adjust the minutes. It's just that simple. Once you've completed styling your hair, you want to make sure that you always keep your tool nice and clean. To clean it, grab a soft cloth and some rubbing alcohol. Once your tool is unplugged and cooled down, take the cloth and gently wipe the plates to remove any excess residue. For more information on our Profashion Elite Styler and our collection of other tools, please visit our website at profashionhair.com.